Welcome back to RV Chef Life. My name's Jonathan. In the next couple of videos, I'm going to be doing a Mediterranean diet twist. Today's going to be shrimp curry in the pressure cooker, and it's only supposed to take 2 to 3 minutes. Don't worry, at the end of the video, I'm going to show the timer of how long it actually took from start to finish. So sit back, hold tight, and let's get started.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
All right, let's go ahead and get started with the shrimp curry. I have my timer here. I'm going to start it as soon as we start talking about everything and tying this entire process. The cookbook that I'm going off of says it takes 3 minutes to cook shrimp from frozen, and then it takes 25 minutes total. That includes pressuring up, pressuring down, and your curry's ready. So let's try it. I'm going to start the timer now. The first thing we're going to do is add 2 tablespoons of olive oil in your crock pot. And the only reason we're adding this fat is so we can bloom the spices. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, once you have your garlic and ginger in there, you're gonna do 1 teaspoon of kosher salt or salt, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and a half a teaspoon of ground turmeric. If you could smell this, it already smells good. Now go ahead and turn on your pressure cooker to saute so we can bloom those spices. It won't take long. As soon as you start hearing it sizzle, stir those spices. While we're waiting for those to bloom, we're gonna go ahead and chop up 1 cup of bell peppers. You're gonna have frozen 1 cup of peas set into the side waiting, and you're gonna grab 1 pound of frozen shrimp. Those have already bloomed. It only took a minute and a half. Go ahead and turn your pressure cooker off. It'll take a little bit for it to cool down, but we're gonna use it right now. Grab your frozen shrimp and dump it in your pressure cooker. You're gonna add 1 can of coconut milk. You want full fat. You don't want half fat or light, full fat. If you've never messed with coconut milk before, don't be scared. When you open up, it looks like a solid mass, like lard, and that's what it is. It's fat. But what you'll do is you'll scrape that out, put it in your pressure cooker, and then below that, you'll have liquid. And go ahead and put all that liquid in there. In the pressure cooker, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Try to get it into the liquid. Stir everything up. The reason we add cornstarch is because shrimp, while it's cooking, since they are from frozen state, they'll release some water, so that cornstarch is gonna thicken up the curry. We're gonna go ahead and prepare the bell peppers. The recipe calls for 1 cup. I keep around these small bell peppers for snacks. I just eat them like pickles or on-the-go snacks, so I'll be using these. We'd finished chopping up these bell peppers. We're gonna go ahead and put them in on top. We don't want to mix those around because we want them to not cook as much, so we'll keep them towards the top of the pressure cooker. Now put your lid on and let it come to temperature. The idea is that as soon as you hit your temperature and your timer goes down 3 minutes, as soon as it's ready, or it dings at you that it's ready, you're gonna release the pressure immediately. As soon as the pot is ready to open it up, and you're gonna throw in your cup of peas on top to cool the dish down a little bit, and then it'll be ready to serve. And just like that, it's done. I'm gonna go ahead and move mine out and start releasing the steam. Get ready, it's gonna be loud. If you are in a motorhome or a camper or even your house, run an exhaust vent. We don't want condensation to build up inside your home, RV, camper. Pressure's off. Go ahead and grab your 1 cup of frozen peas, dump in there. Stir it around. Wow, the smell is amazing. And your shrimp curry in a pressure cooker is now done. I just hit the stopwatch. It took us 32 minutes and 3 seconds. It's not bad. That's a quick evening dinner. Let this cool down just a little bit before we go in for a taste test. All right, we've let it cool down. So now we're gonna grab a bowl of rice. I generally make rice every week, 1 or 2 cups of it, and keep it in the refrigerator for quick evening meals. Go and stir it around, get everything set up. And what you're gonna do is just ladle that onto your rice. I'm always leery about these pressure cookers, not about using one, but about the recipes. I've tried numerous recipes with pressure cooker and none of them really panned out to be all that great. So I'm kind of curious on this one. This one took us 32 minutes and 3 seconds, start to finish. So let's give it a taste test. It's still a little steamy, but the smell and aroma is out of this world. Wow, ignore everything I just said about a pressure cooker. 32 minutes, this is an amazing meal. Powerful flavors, delicious. Thanks for following along tonight. As mentioned previously, I am going to do Mediterranean diet, everything used in the pressure cooker for the next couple of videos and see what people think. I'm not trying to lose weight, I'm just trying something different. Please like, share, and subscribe. All your comments below will be answered. I love doing this. I love reading the comments and I enjoy responding to them. So thanks again for stopping by and spending your afternoon or evening with me. And until next time, I'll see you soon.